Who can resist an adorable little bunny? Hi creative friends, this is Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today we have this really sweet bunny craft that anybody can make. It's perfect for Easter and all the spring through. For this project you need some spring colored paints, paintbrush, a black paint pen, ruler and a pencil, a bit of cork for the background, and a photo frame. We upcycled this one from before. And then you can also grab this printable template from sustainmycrafthabit.com to help you guide your painting. Although you could use a new photo frame or leave one that you already have, we decided to give this frame that we've had from before a little colorful paint. And this pretty turquoise color just reminds us of Easter and springtime. So we'll give it a light coat of this pretty teal color and let it dry. While that's drying, it's time to paint our bunny. So measure the template design onto your piece of cork. This is going to depend a little bit on the size of frame that you have. So you may need to adjust this depending on what you have and what you're using. Our frame's opening is about 5 inches by 5 inches. And so we're cutting this piece of cork, which was from the dollar store, down to size to fit kind of as the mat and the backing. And we'll be painting the bunny directly onto this cork. Now cut out the template to use for painting. If you feel more skilled at drawing and painting than I do, feel free to freeform this, but you can cut out this as an outline to trace onto your painting surface. Obviously, if you don't have the cork backing, you could also use a piece of paper. You could even just print out this cute bunny, color him, and add them in there for a quick spring craft. For the past couple weeks, we've been sharing a bunch of Easter themed craft ideas here on our YouTube channel. So we invite you to check those out. We have a couple of mason jar painting projects, felt standing bunnies, and even how I decorated a 3-tiered tray for Easter. Now the fun part, it's time to paint our little bunny friend here. What name would you give him? I mean, Hoppy seems right. We're just using a white acrylic paint here, filling in the template part that we had traced. Now it's time to add cute little pink cheeks and little black nose and let all those dry. Make sure to let the paint dry between each layer. While that's drying, we're going to come back to our photo frame and just give it a little bit of texture with this white cream wax. And then finally, it's time to add the details onto the bunny. Of course, he or she needs some whiskers and cute little eyes. And that's it. Your bunny is all painted and ready to go. Simply pop out the backing of your frame and add him in. We took out the glass from the frame, but obviously if you have that, you can leave that in there. So are you all ready for Easter and spring? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more nature-inspired DIY and craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Have a hoppy day!